Ever stared at your Venmo balance, wishing it would magically inflate? Like, just a little? Maybe enough for that coffee you've been craving, or to chip in on that group order without feeling the pinch. You're not alone. We've all been there. That empty Venmo screen staring back, judging your financial choices, or lack thereof. But what if I told you, you could add a quick $10 without selling your prized possessions or winning the lottery? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around, because we're diving deep into the surprisingly simple ways you can snag that sweet $10 on Venmo. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room. Why $10? Why not $100? Or $1,000? Well, $10 is the perfect little boost. It's enough to make a difference, to cover a small expense, or to just feel good. It's the kind of amount that Venmo often uses for promotions, referral bonuses, and other little incentives. And honestly, it's the kind of amount that's realistically attainable without jumping through a million hoops. The truth is, Venmo, like many other payment platforms, wants you to use their service. They want you to invite your friends, connect your bank account, and generally become a loyal user. And to entice you, they offer, you guessed it, money. But these opportunities aren't always advertised with flashing neon signs. They're often hidden in plain sight, tucked away in the app settings, buried in your email inbox, or whispered about in online forums. So, let's break down the most reliable ways to get that $10 on Venmo. First, and perhaps the most classic method, referral bonuses. Venmo loves it when you bring your friends into the fold. When you invite someone new to Venmo, and they sign up using your unique referral link, both of you can earn a bonus. And often, that bonus is, you guessed it, $10. Here's how it works. You'll find your referral link within the Venmo app, usually under the Invite Friends or Referral section. You can share this link via text, email, social media, or even print it out and hand it to people like a secret handshake. When your friend clicks that link, downloads Venmo, and makes their first qualifying transaction, bam! $10 for both of you. But here's the kicker, not all referrals are created equal. The bonus amount can vary depending on Venmo's current promotions. Sometimes it's $5, sometimes it's $10, and occasionally, it might even be a little more. So keep an eye out for those limited time offers. And remember, the key is to get your friends to actually use Venmo after signing up. A simple sign-up won't cut it. Next up, Venmo promotions and giveaways. Venmo occasionally runs promotions and giveaways, often in partnership with other brands. These promotions can range from simple sweepstakes to more elaborate contests. To stay in the loop, make sure you're following Venmo's official social media accounts, subscribing to their email newsletter, and keeping an eye on the app itself. They might announce a flash giveaway or a limited-time promotion that offers a $10 bonus just for participating. These promotions can be anything from using Venmo to pay for a specific service to participating in a social media challenge. The key is to be proactive and engage with the platform. You never know when a quick social media post or a simple transaction could land you that $10. Now, let's talk about cashback and rewards programs. While Venmo itself doesn't directly offer a traditional cashback program like some credit cards, it does integrate with other platforms that do. For example, if you link your Venmo account to a credit card that offers cashback rewards, you can effectively earn money back on your Venmo transactions. This might not be a direct $10 bonus, but it's a way to indirectly earn money through your Venmo usage. And over time, those small cashback amounts can add up. So, make sure you're using a credit card that offers rewards, and link it to your Venmo account to maximize your earnings. Another often overlooked method is checking for unclaimed payments. Sometimes, people send you money on Venmo but forget to notify you, or you might miss the notification. This money sits unclaimed, waiting for you to accept it. It might not be $10 exactly, but it could be close, or even more. To check for unclaimed payments, simply open the Venmo app and look for any pending transactions. You might be surprised to find a forgotten payment waiting for you. It's like finding money in your couch cushions, but digital. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: scams and phishing. Unfortunately, there are people out there who will try to trick you into giving up your Venmo login information or sending them money. They might offer a free $10 in exchange for your password or ask you to send them a small fee to claim a larger reward. Remember, Venmo will never ask for your password or PIN. And if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of unsolicited messages or emails promising free money. If you're unsure about a promotion or offer, contact Venmo support directly to verify its legitimacy. And finally, consider participating in online surveys and reward programs. While not directly affiliated with Venmo, many online survey and reward platforms allow you to redeem your earnings for Venmo Cash. You can earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, or participating in other online activities. And then, you can transfer your earnings to your Venmo account. These platforms might not offer a quick $10 bonus, but they can be a reliable way to earn extra cash over time. And when you're ready, you can cash out and add it to your Venmo balance. Now, let's recap the key takeaways. Referral bonuses: invite your friends and earn $10 when they sign up and transact. Venmo promotions and giveaways: keep an eye out for special offers and contests. Cashback and rewards programs: link a rewards earning credit card to your Venmo account. Check for unclaimed payments: make sure you're not missing any forgotten transactions. Be aware of scams: never give out your password or PIN, and be wary of unsolicited offers. Participate in online surveys, earn money and redeem it for Venmo Cash. Remember, consistency is key. Don't expect to get $10 overnight. But by utilizing these methods and staying vigilant, you can gradually build up your Venmo balance. And who knows, you might even stumble upon a hidden gem or a limited time offer that lands you even more than $10. Don't forget to read the fine print. Always check the terms and conditions of any promotion or offer to make sure you understand the requirements and avoid any surprises. Venmo's terms and conditions are readily available within the app and on their website. And lastly, remember that $10 might not seem like much, but it can make a difference. It's the little things that add up. And with a little bit of effort, you can turn that empty Venmo screen into a source of small, but satisfying, financial victories. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.